So in today's quick video, I'm just going to show you how I clean all my makeup brushes. I just use baby wash, the same stuff that I use on my 4-year-old. This just makes it easy so I don't have to buy anything special. I have also used just regular shampoo or bar soap to clean my brushes. So all I do is just take a little bit of that soap and then rub it against this pot holder that I got at Walmart. And I just continue doing this until the water runs clear. So sometimes I have to do this a couple times. And then I'll give it a good rinse and squeeze it out really good and lay it flat to dry on the towel overnight. And since all the brushes are pretty much the same, I'm going to speed this video up for you. I'm sure a lot of us don't clean our makeup brushes as often as we should, but as you can see in this video, it is so quick and easy to do. So a lot of times I'll just do this at night after I wash my face, or just really quickly after I put my makeup on for the day, and then they'll finish drying by the nighttime. The foundation brush always takes the longest because it's always super thick and hard to get out, but here you can see I got it pretty clean. And if you don't have a silicone mat like this, that's not a problem. Usually I just use my hand. It's a lot quicker this way. And just for fun, I googled how often we should be cleaning our makeup brushes, and it says that for concealer and foundation brushes at least once a week. For other makeup brushes around the eyes, a couple times a month, and all others about once a month. So I try to do mine at least every couple weeks. And lastly, I'm cleaning my Real Techniques beauty sponge, and I'm just using the same technique, just putting soap on it, rubbing it through gently and squeezing it out. I repeat this several times. I have seen many videos on YouTube on how to clean these, one of those being with bar soap, rubbing it on there pretty vigorously, but I have found that when I've done that, it does tear my beauty blender up a little bit, so I prefer doing it this way. Let me know what you guys think and how you clean yours. Look how clean it looks compared to what it was. And that is it, guys. Simple as that. This probably took me 5 minutes or less. So see, we have no excuses. Clean those makeup brushes. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye.